Can we make this quick? I thought I saw that bum Freeze Peach lurking around my spot in the patch. I'm gonna get him someday.
Remember, everyone, don't be a TP tweeter. Potty bombs will make you see unicorn hair dryers on roller skates. And without further ado, Cherry Poppins with her new song Unicorn Hair Dryer.
Crisis, then I heard a whir and a glittery glide. Neon wheels rolling from the other side. Sparkles fly, got a rainbow breeze. Blowin style with electric ease. Clip clop rhythm on a disco floor. Never seen a gadget like this before. Unicorn hair dryer on roller skates. Blowin magic while it hydrates. Zoom zoom, shine 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 so great. Unicorn